Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant Christmas DIYs using inexpensive items like these jewel border stickers that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. For this project, I used 12 Dollar Tree mirrored candle holders. And because I couldn't find any foam board at Dollar Tree, I picked up this extra thick foam board from my local Hobby Lobby. I used generous amounts of hot glue to glue all 12 of the mirrored candle holders to the foam board. Next, I cut away the excess. Next, I added Dollar Tree glitter ribbon and pearl wrap along the perimeter. First, the glitter ribbon. And then the pearl wrap. This pearl wrap is self-adhesive, but it doesn't adhere well to glitter ribbon, so I'm adding hot glue here as well. I'm also adding that same combination to the center of the design as well. Next, I'm adding my jewel border numbered stickers. Next, I'm making a Christmas bow with this glitter ribbon also from Dollar Tree. My hot glue gun is on the low setting, and although this video is sped up, I'm waiting several seconds before touching the ribbon in order to avoid burning myself. The hot glue is very hot. As you can see, this glitter ribbon has a lot of fallout, so it's a good idea to add Mod Podge or aerosol hairspray to the back of the ribbon. I added the ribbon and pearl wrap combo to the center before hot gluing the bow to the top of my design. At the very last minute, I decided to add the ribbon and pearl wrap combo along the center, and here's the finished look. I used large Velcro command strips to hang my wall advert calendar, and I'll use Dollar Tree window clings to mark each date. For DIY number 2, you'll need 2 rolls of Dollar Tree faux leather and Christmas ribbon. I'm using hem tape that I picked up at my local craft store to glue 2 of the faux leather pieces together. Of course, you guys have seen me use my mini press for several projects. I've had it for some time and I picked it up on Amazon. My mini press is on the low setting and the fabric side of the faux leather is faced up. You should be able to use a low setting, no steam iron for this project as well. Next, I'm closing my faux leather by folding it onto itself. And because I'm adding heat to the faux leather side of the fabric, I'm using a Teflon sheet here as well. Because this isn't real leather, I'm only applying heat for a few seconds. Next, I'm adding my gold ribbon. I'm not a huge fan of the iridescent wire border, so I'm going to fold that wire border in and then add the ribbon to the center of my fabric. As you can see, I'm adding the hem tape to both sides of the ribbon. Once my ribbon was in place, I added a bit more heat to the fabric side of my design to seal everything in. I sealed the opposite side about halfway before adding the stuffing from an old pillow. I really love how both projects turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.